Oh, I found some more junk. Alright, got a couple small boxes, and I got these here pinion gears, so I'm not sure what I got going on here. I don't know if I went over these already or not, but I got an early and a late one on here, so I'll give you something to look at. So, early one is 74 part number, which is 77 and later Sportster. Iron Head. 2401574. Still in the baggie. 15. There's the gear in there. This is AMF packaging, so that means it's in the 70s, obviously. This one here is a used one that was put in a new bag. It's got a green titty mark on it. You buy stuff on eBay, it's not always what you think it is. This is a brand new one, see there's no wear teeth on it. It just has the shiny marks right here. You see the wear pattern on there? That makes it used. See, this one here does not have that. This is a new one. So this one has no, oh, there's color. It's white. This one here is green. So that's a size difference. So this is what they used on the Iron Head motor. So this one here is the same part number with a green dotty. It's a later production. This is probably 80s production with the baggies. So now they square cut it instead of angle cut it. Less setup time, I guess. So same gear other than that. They look slightly different, but they're identical. They roll across each other, same thing, same application. The key difference is the length here. Okay, this one here is a 24060-86. So this one was made in the 90s, probably, yep, 2000. 42700. Got the new packaging on there, at least back in 2000 new packaging. I don't know what they use anymore. Probably the same thing. Cheap plastic crap. So there's your part number. It's just a yellow gear, it says. Barely can see yellow. Almost call that white. Pretty close. So this one here is made like this, but see the difference in length. Same pitch diameter, same identical. The difference is length. So this is your 86 and 87 Evo Sportster 4-speed bike. So when you're doing an S&S conversion crank and your 5-speed Sporty, you need this gear because they're spline shaft. They use the same shaft as the early bike, as the earlier Sportster. So they went to this design here instead of that stupid key one that spins and strips the key off. This one's spline. You're never going to strip this one. So this is the upgrade. So the difference between the Iron Head motor and the Evo motor is the length of the gear. So if you have an Iron Head motor, you can lengthen it to what you need. If you have an Evo gear, you can shorten it to fit what you need. I have taken these and shortened them to be these before. So the difference in length is the Iron Head gear is 878, basic 7/8 of an inch. And the other gear is just over an inch and an eighth, 1032, 25 is eighth. So the big difference is the difference in length. If you're going to modify things, you zero it. You go like that. Basic is a 1/4 inch difference in length, 253. 250 is a quarter, so it's 3/1000 difference. So it's a 1/4 inch difference. So if you're trying to mix and match parts, you need a 1/4 inch spacer to put this in your Evo bike, and this one here you need to cut a 1/4 inch off of it. That's all you really need to know. And you can mix and match these all you want. So S&S wants $350 for these, or $400. The latest price, I couldn't believe it. And these ones here You can buy these from V-Twin, you know, repop ones for, you know, under $100. So instead of paying $400, you pay $100 and you just machine it. Or in this case, you got to put a spacer on the end of it because it'd be too short. So you got to make a spacer to go in there, which ain't too hard to do. Just a piece of tubing. That's all you need. There you go. Save $300. Piece of tubing. That's how you do it. Mix and match and make the parts work, because it's a lot of stuff. There's no real changes in it. So there you go.